So I had mentioned that I was going to do a daily update for you guys on this brand new Clickbank campaign, but life kind of happened. So you're seeing this as the third video, but it's actually been 10 days since my last update video. So you can see here we're actually on the home screen or the account login screen of Clickbank. And we're going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to show you the results since September 18th when we started this campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. As you can see here, once again, no shenanigans. This is legitimate. If you go back to the 18th, remember, that's when I did my last update video. And before then, we had done $448, then $25, then right around $372. So since the 18th, you can see that we've done pretty good. It's even kill. It's fairly consistent. I think it's still over that $100 a day or so. If we pull out the trusty calculator, let's go ahead and let's add these numbers up. So 215, I'm not going to add the cents in to make this easy for us, plus 58, plus 23, plus 163, plus 102, plus 199, plus 44, plus 35, right? Plus 448, plus 25, and plus 372. And that's roughly 1684. Now we're going to divide this by how many days? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Divide that by 14 days, and if my calculations are correct, because we're doing this as we're recording, I did not figure out these numbers before we started recording, right around $120 per day in pure profit, which is really cool. And it's all because of the system and the training that this system provides. And I'm going to continue to provide results. It might not be daily, it might be bi-weekly, it might be, heck, every 10 days. But this is to show you that we have about a solid, 13 days, almost 2 weeks of results proving that this system that you're about to get access to, in fact, works. So if you want to get access to this proven system, all you need to do is click the link below this video, and I look forward to continue to give you updates. I hope you are inspired to show you that Clickbank actually works if you do it in the right way with the right program. And that program is below. Go ahead and click the link. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.